Imagine the Who's unusual life.
Into the tiniest houses and grocery stores. Ooh. Tiny umbrellas that drip on the tiniest floors. Ooh. The tiniest titles and tiniest streets. Miniature buses with miniature seats. Miniature buildings with miniature windows and doors.
No smaller town than yours.
The marching band that is so much grand. Oh, you want to hear them wail. Every Christmas time, without fail, Mr. Grinch presents his Christmas tale.
I reenact my Christmas tale. Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch, who just lived north of Whoville, did not.
Imagine a place that is tidy and totally clean.
Where even a Grinch wouldn't dare to be totally mean.
You think that it's heaven on earth? Yes, you do.
Heaven on earth isn't heaven on who. Troubles on who are the biggest that you've ever seen.
On the brink of war, they say
We're going to